made carrot cake the other time, and I was like, it would be so good in a waffle. So we have to melt some coconut oil. So I'm going to melt it in here, but I have to take out my dates. It looks so weird. Dates look kind of weird once you boil them. The skin kind of peels off, but it makes it really soft. So this is how the batter turned out. We just had a little taste and it is spectacular. Amazing, so good. So the batter kind of tastes like a carrot cake smoothie, and that's something that we're actually thinking about making. What do you think about carrot cake smoothie? Does that sound weird, or would that like sound bomb? Comment below, let me know. So just like the first time with this waffle maker, I don't know what happened, but when you pour from the spout, like sometimes not all of it goes down. I'm not really a big fan of this vertical blender so far. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't make a whole waffle sometimes. So I think this is too thick. I think I need to thin it out. So I'm gonna add more water. Oh, it tastes so good. I just need to get them in the right shape, like into a waffle. So we're done making the waffles now, and now we can start making the cashew frosting. I've kind of just prepped all the ingredients right here, and I'm just gonna blend it.
How's it?
Wow. Y'all, this is the final look. I say that like it's a makeup tutorial. This is my version of a makeup tutorial. I topped it with pecan pieces. Is that how you say it? Pecan?
Mm-hmm.
Pecan. Some pecan pieces all over. I just crushed those up, and then I just added maple syrup. That's what's dripping. It looks absolutely amazing. Can't wait to eat. It's gonna go in now. Oh, they're so fluffy. Oh my god. I could cry. Wow. That is so freaking good. It turned out essentially exactly how I wanted it to taste. Like just like carrot cake, but in waffle form. This is like a lot of layers. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this by myself. Who knows? Maybe. Let me know if you make this recipe and how it turns out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more yummy, delicious vegan recipes like this. See you next time.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause, baby,